Hello world, I have a Logitech keyboard unboxing for you today, which is the K360. So let's get started. Here's the keyboard packaging itself. Looking on the back here, it features the small form factor, so everything's all condensed in on itself. It has a 3-year battery life, so you don't have to worry about it once you put the battery in. It has 6 hotkeys, 12 programmable F-keys, and it uses the 2.4 GHz wireless up to 30 feet away. And it also uses the Logitech Unifying Receiver, small form factor also. And it is a plug-and-play, so you don't need the drivers at all. It has a quiet framed keys and sturdy adjustable tilt legs by 8 degrees. This is compatible with Windows XP, Vista, 7, and also will work with Windows 8. I am not too certain about that, but I would highly suggest to check Logitech's main website by searching Logitech K360 Keyboard to find out if it is or not compatible with Windows 8. It comes with a standard 3-year limited lifetime warranty, hardware warranty I must mention. So once you get it from them, you got to contact them if there's any problem, and they'll advise you from then on. So taking a look at the keyboard itself, here are the 12 F programmable keys. Here is the media, I guess the controls, I believe, the media controls, previous, play and stop, and the forward. Here we have the mute, lower volume down, volume up, and the on and off switch itself. So just taking a quick look at it, the keys feel very nice. Here we have the FN keys that control the rest up here. Taking a look at the actual side number pad, I'll say it's nice to have this once in a while. It's not like what the Apple products come with, the keyboard. The only downside is I'd prefer if it was aluminum, but what Logitech wants is something form factor, something small and cheap and affordable for anyone who's wanting a good small form factor keyboard. So, but they went with a kind of a way of it being a gloss black finish, which mirror finish, not like gloss, but very mirror finish. As you can see some whatever's up there now. You can see all the reflective on there, which kind of is a pro and con, but it's fine for me. Taking a look at the back, we have all the Logitech information here. Taking a look at the actual battery compartment, it does take 2 AA batteries, and the slot for the unifying receiver once you are traveling with this keyboard. That is what's good about this, is if you're on the go, buy this because it's very nice and it's compact, so it'll fit into most 17-inch laptop bags or full-size backpacks. Thank you for watching this Logitech keyboard unboxing of the K360 model. I'll see you guys on the next video, and be sure to check out my Instagram and Twitter to get the latest updates on what's going on with me and to get the latest sneak peeks on future unboxings and reviews. Thank you for watching.